Hello my country people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Alright guys, this will remain your girl again, precious reality talk gist guys. Okay, this morning I dey bring una this matter as they happen for Adamawa headquarter. The youth just break and invade offices, and they made away with everything inside the customer office. Guys, abeg make una watch this video and leave your comment section below and let me know what you think. And if this is your first time of watching my channel, please follow, subscribe, share my videos so that we dey fit dey bring una this matter as they happen. Guys, just watch this video and see for yourself.
The Nigerian Custom Office has been stormed. The masses are breaking virtually everything. Packing some food items, packing consumable and non-consumable material. Very bad, very bad, it's very bad. It's uncalled for. They should have just gone for food and leave other things. As you can see what's happening up there, the youth are breaking so many things there. Where is the strength of Nigerian security? Very bad. Didn't subscribe to this. See this time will be taken away. All their offices has been burgled. This truck is filled with beans. The youth are trying to evacuate all the beans to their various destinations. This Marco Polo also. The youth are destroying the parts of the car, taking away the seat and parts of the Marco Polo. It's unhealthy. God have mercy. This is Adamawa State Nigerian Custom Office. Look at how you are busy destroying the government facilities. Oh God have mercy. Oh God have mercy. We pray, oh Lord, that this thing should not lead to something else that we cannot contain. God have mercy. God have mercy. Yes, this is a gunshot. People are running. This is a gunshot. People are running. This is a gunshot.